Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the Bitcoin chart on 7th of April. Then I'm going to show you the positions I made yesterday on 6th of April and see what happened there. But before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start. As you can see, the price of Bitcoin is right now in a range. It's going up and down, and you know we have this box. The price is in this box. If we can get out of this box, we can have the direction of the price. In the bigger time frames, like 1 hour, if internet let us, yeah, we have a trend line here. A trend line like this, starting from here, and it has 2 touches yet, but you know it can be broken in the future. Okay, if it is broken in the future somewhere here or even here, we can have some buy positions. Okay, but it has to be broken in this time frame, 1 hour or 4-hour time frame. Okay, and the body of the candle should be closed out of that trend line. In that case, we can go for a buy position and set our stop loss and look for our reward. In bigger time frames, like 4 hour, we don't have anything special. In daily time frame, we also don't have anything special, but in weekly time frame, we do have a really special thing. You know, we had that price pumping this much to the upside. Okay, after this big green candle showing the actually showing that the buyers are very strong, but after that, in 3 weeks, actually we have some dodgy candles. Okay, you know, the market doesn't know what's happening. It has been 3 weeks. Okay, it's a bit weird. You know why? Because after these things happened, after this big green candle showing the power of buyers. Okay, it is showing the weakness right now, the weakness of the buyers. Why it is happening is because of this actually resistance here, which was a support before for the price. Right now it is a resistance for the price. Okay, and you know it is touching that level, and you know we might start dropping from somewhere here. Okay, we might have some stop loss activations, and after that the price starts falling. You know, in that scenario can happen too, but you know sometimes they don't like to activate our stop loss. Okay, it was all about today's analysis of Bitcoin. Let's switch to the part which I'm gonna show you the positions I made yesterday and see what happened there. Welcome back traders. As you can see here, we are on the Bitcoin chart, 5-minute time frame. Then I'm gonna show you the 7 profitable positions I made on actually 6th of April. And you can actually learn from these positions. How do I enter positions, how do I set my stop loss, and how do I actually exit my positions. And you can actually trade in the real market and make money with them. Okay, on the first position, actually before I start the first position, I want to say this position here from the actually previous day of actually 6th of April, which is yesterday for us. Right now it is 2 days ago. We did have a trend line here, which it was like this at the first look. When you see that shadow, you extend it, and it is broken with this big red candle. Okay, I didn't enter here. You know why? Because the size of this candle, the size of the candle was really big. You know, if I wanted to enter here, put my stop loss at least above that candle, okay, my reward too is so much big. It is somewhere here, okay, which the price didn't give me the reward to. Okay, that's why I don't enter in these big candles like this. But for a person who's actually trading based on reward 1, RR1 or risk reward 1 can enter here and put their stop loss above the candle, and they can actually earn their reward 1 somewhere here, as you can see it here. For those people it's nice, but for me it is not nice to enter here. That's why I didn't enter here. On the first position, we did have this trend line with 3 touches, 1, 2, 3 touches. On the fourth time it was broken here, we did have the chance to enter buy position. We could risk, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gave us a reward of 2.2 on that top of that shadow there. On the second position, we did have this trend line with 1, 2 touches, 3, 4 somewhere here, and it was broken somewhere here or even here. It depends on you. I did enter here, and I did put my stop loss above the candle here, somewhere safe, and it gave me the reward 2.6 on the body of this candle here. On the third position, we did have this trend line with 3 touches, 1, 2, 3 touches. On the fourth time it was broken here, we did have the chance to enter a sell position, put our stop loss above the candles here or even safer here, and it gave me the reward 2.6 somewhere here. On the trade 4, we did have this actually trend line, or you can see it as a resistance in the lower time frames like 1 minute time frame, which it was broken with this candle. We could enter here, put our stop loss up below the candle or somewhere safer here or even very safe here, and look for risk reward 2, which it gives us our reward somewhere here. On the trade 5, we did have this trend line with 1 touch, 2 touches. It was like this at the first look. Okay, you connect this one to this one, and it gives us here, when you see that shadow, you extend the trend line, okay, and it is broken somewhere here. We can enter here, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gives us a reward of 2.7 somewhere here. On the trade 6, we did have this trend line with 3 touches. On the fourth time it was broken here, we could enter here for sell position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us a reward of 2.5. On the last position, we did have this trend line. Let me clean it that we can see better. Let me put it away. We did have this trend line with 1, 2 touches. On the third time it was broken here, we could enter buy position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us a reward of 2.1 and even more the day after, actually today, somewhere here, if you can see the separator line there. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.